山彩通 Stainless Steel Company Limited. Headquartered in Liyuan Metal Logistics Mall in Foshan, China. Is one of the largest stainless steel makers in the world. With the experienced team, R&D, production, trade, logistics, advanced technology and equipment. City provides dozens of corners of stainless steel sheets, including 200 series, 300 series, and 400 series. Finishing options 2B, BA, 4K, even 24K. Number 4, HL number 4, SB number 4, sandblast and the like available. City also provides various kinds of stainless steel products for hotel and home decoration. Quality is City's life. All products from City are made in standards of ASTM, AISI, DIN, EN, GB, and TUV. As one of biggest players, City has huge stock of hot-selling items and a big capacity to guarantee prompt reaction and delivery. It is our ultimate goal to make you happy with our good prices, value-added services, and surprising quality. City's stainless steel help you exceed people's expectations with abundant options, refined process, and unique design.
彩通公司将致力于打造一个品种齐全、规格最多、数量最大的彩色板超市。同时，彩通公司携手客户以及公司的全体员工，共创美好的未来。
Welcome to contact us for building cooperation.